and good morning. Welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around presentation of this lovely 420i petrol coupe we have in 2017 model. So it's a facelift model, one owner car, presented in sapphire black metallic. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll show you around the car, some of the specs and features. Hopefully it'll aid you in making a choice. We have the BMW LED headlights at the front. We've of course made some cosmetic enhancements, so we've got the full gloss styling pack all round, splitter sides. We've also put these 20-inch wheels on with brand new tyres. Really good on the car. Privacy glass to the rear, LED tail lights, gloss diffuser and rear spoiler. Really well presented car. It's one owner with BMW service history. Take a look in the boot. We've got the original tail mats, floor mats rather, and we have split folding rear seats. The wheels are staggered, meaning they're wider on the rear, the wider profile tyre, front and rear parking sensors. Take a look at the inside. This is a 6-speed manual vehicle with cruise control, black Dakota leather, heated front seats. Inside we have professional navigation. Take a look at the maps there. DAB radio, auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth phone and audio. Take a look at the service info for you. Pre-delivery is 6, 15 and then 34. Engine oil falls just out of our remit, 3,500, normally it's 3,000. I'm sure if you wanted that doing, we could arrange that for you. Really tidy interior, Isofix rear seats. Got over 120 BMWs in stock. This is our overflow car park. Normally videos would be inside. We're absolutely packed at the minute. HP and PCP available. Part exchange is very welcome. You can apply for finance on our website. Thanks very much for watching. Keep safe. Thank you.